Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Google account and enabling two-step verification. This prevents interruptions when requesting data. Open Google Takeout, deselect everything, then select Google Photos and choose specific albums or the full library so you control size and contents. Make sure your USB drive is connected and formatted to a compatible file system like FAT32 or NTFS, and that it has adequate free space. This avoids failed writes. Once done, you're ready to create the export file and download transfer links. Once Google Takeout prepares the archive, you'll receive download links or be prompted to save the zip/tgz directly. Choose Zip for easiest Windows compatibility. You should download each archive fully, pause or retry if interrupted, and verify checksum or file sizes when available to ensure integrity. After downloading, extract the archive into a temporary folder so file names and folders remain intact. Then copy or drag the extracted photos and videos folders onto your USB drive. Make sure file transfers finish before ejecting. To finish, confirm all files opened correctly from the USB, then use the operating system's eject feature to prevent data loss. Don't unplug during writes. If you find missing or corrupted files, return to Takeout to request another export for the affected album, or re-download only the problematic archive to save time. If the USB isn't recognized, run a disk utility to repair file system errors or try a different port/cable. This single troubleshooting step resolves most hardware or format issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.